I wrote your number down, call for a good time. I only wanted to get your attention. You're looking over somehow. Besides, you had too many heartbreaks to mention, so I play my guitar too loud. How do you like me now? How do you like me now? Now that I'm on my way, you still think I'm crazy. Standing here today, I couldn't make you love me, but all we dream about living in your radio. How do you like me now? Tennessee, I heard that you made fun of me. Never imagined I'd make it this far. So I married you, my girl. Ain't that a cruel and funny word? He took your drink, he tore it apart. Never come home and you're always alone. And your kids hear you cry down the hall. Alarm clocks are ringing. Who could that be singing? It's me, baby, with your wake-up call. How do you like me now? How do you like me now? Now that I'm on my way, you still think I'm crazy. Standing here today, I couldn't make you love me, but always think about living in your radio. How do you like me now?
Sawdust. 2012 Sawdust Days. Red's tent.